Hi, I'm Sean Michael Ragan, and this is Cool Tools. So I'm installing a new water gap in the fence below our livestock pond, and the first thing I want to do is hang a piece of heavy steel tubing between these two posts here, which means I need to measure this distance to within an inch or less so I know how long to cut it. I could use a measuring tape, but because there's nothing to rest it on, it's going to sag in the middle, and the reading will be too long. There is a formula to correct for sag in a steel tape, but you have to know how much tension the tape is under, which requires a tensioning handle. I don't own a tensioning handle, and I don't want one because they're expensive and pretty specialized. So I thought I'd try one of these laser distance measures instead, which uses a beam of laser light instead of a physical tape to bridge the gap. There are a bunch of these on the market from companies with names like D-Tape and Prexiso that seem to only sell this one product. Some of them are well reviewed on Amazon and go for as little as $15. But with a mind towards longer term reliability, I decided to spend a bit more money and go with a brand I trust, which led me to this little Bosch GLM-20, which claims accuracy down to 1/8 of an inch over 65 feet. My only complaint so far is that if you're trying to use it outside on a sunny day, it's hard to see the laser spot. It can be done if your target is in the shade, or you can arrange for it to be in the shade, but it took me 3 or 4 minutes my first time out, working in broad daylight, to get a good measurement. I came back at dusk to get this shot for the camera. 27 feet, 7 3/16 inches. This is the drill pipe after we cut it to length. We started out with a 31-foot stalk and cut it down to 26 feet, 6 3/4 inches, which we measured with a steel tape laid along the top of the pipe. Here I've set up a cinder block flush with one end so I can check the length using the laser, which reads 27 feet, 6 5/16 inches. That's not too bad, considering the pipe isn't sitting on flat ground and will bow a little to match the curve of the hill. After about an hour's work, the pipe is hung up, and the fit is almost perfect. Here's one end, and here's the other. The tool is really simple to operate. Pressing the button once turns the laser on and starts continuous measurement. Once you get it lined up, pressing the button again holds the last measurement on the screen and turns the beam off. If you want to measure twice, like Grandpa always taught you, you can repeat that process to take and hold a second measurement on screen. Long press to turn the unit off again, and while it's turned off, another long press will let you choose between feet plus inches, inches only, or meters to 3 decimal places. Okay, thank you for watching. As always, you'll find affiliate links in the description field down below the video. If you've seen anything here you like, please do check those out, and also please do check out our blog and our podcast over at cool-tools.org. We'll see you next time.